Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a classic design element and giving it a modern twist. Barn doors. These beauties are no longer just for rustic farmhouse spaces. With the creative tweaks, they can elevate any room in your home, adding a touch of functionality and undeniable style. Let's dive into some inspiring ideas to transform your barn doors from traditional to trendy. Number 1. Material marvels. Barn doors come in all sorts of materials. But for a modern look, ditch the expected wood. Consider glass. Frosted or clear glass panels add a touch of sophistication and allow light to flow through the space. Metal. Brushed nickel, stainless steel, or even corrugated metal create a sleek and industrial vibe. Mirrored. Perfect for small spaces. Mirrored doors reflect light and create an illusion of more square footage. Mixed media. Combine wood with glass inserts or metal accents for unique and visually interesting look. Number 2. Hardware highlights. The hardware is what makes your barn door slide, but it can also make a major design statement. Ditch the traditional barn door track for something more modern. Concealed tracks. These tracks hide behind wood, creating a clean, minimalist look. Flow tracks for a modern industrial touch. Consider tracks that run along the floor instead of the ceiling. Modern knobs and handles. Swap out the expected rustic handle for sleek geometric knobs or long bar handles in chrome or brushed nickel. Who says barn doors have to be brown? Go bold with a pop of color to match your decor. Black, a classic and versatile choice that adds drama and definition. White, perfect for a clean contemporary look, especially in smaller spaces. Accent colors. Don't be afraid to experiment. A bright red door in a neutral living room will definitely make a statement. Two-tone. Paint the top and bottom panels different colors for unique and a playful touch. Textural twists. Texture add depth and visual interest. Reclaimed wood. Achieve a modern rustic vibe with reclaimed wood that has a natural weathered look. Stained wood. Stain your wood a deep rich color for a dramatic effect. Painted wood with distressed finish. Combine a modern color with a light distressing for a vintage inspired touch. Leather panels for a luxurious feel. Consider incorporating leather panels into your barn door design. Barn doors aren't just for doorways anymore. Here are some unexpected ways to incorporate them into your space. Room dividers. Use barn doors to create flexible living spaces. They are perfect for separating living room from a home office or a bedroom from a dressing area. Closet doors. Replace traditional closet doors with sleek barn doors for a more streamlined look. Hidden storage. Install barn doors in front of built-in shelves or cabinets to hide clutter and create a clean aesthetic. Pantry door. A barn door that adds a touch of charm to a modern kitchen, particularly when used for a pantry entrance. Here are some pro tips. Consider the weight. Ensure your track and hardware can support the weight of your chosen door material, especially for a heavier option like glass or metal. Measure twice, cut once. Measure your doorway carefully before purchasing or building your barn door. Think about privacy. If you're using a barn door for a bathroom or bedroom, consider adding frosted glass inserts or another privacy solution. Mind the noise. Solid core doors offer better soundproofing compared to hollow core options. Lighting matters. Installing track lighting above your barn door can add a finishing touch and highlight the design. So there you have it. With a little creativity, barn doors can be a modern and functional addition to your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. So until next time, happy decorating!